Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your WhatsApp storage permission problem. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is open your WhatsApp application and click on your profile icon. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and scroll down to storage and data right over here. And then all you need to do is click on manage storage. This is where you can simply go ahead and review and delete your larger files by simply selecting it and clicking on delete and delete item. This will go ahead and make it faster and go ahead and help you fix it. However, if it still doesn't work, then what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your settings and then scroll down to general and then simply scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset and then click on reset all settings, which should go ahead and fix your problem. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.